Okay, so for the testimonial sections or the results, I wanted to make a video just showing you inside of the Honey Drip network the kind of results that people are getting on a daily basis. So I'm trying to jump to the present. Okay, so this is today, September 14th, when I'm recording this video, 3:32 a.m. This guy was up early. So he's basically showing his screenshot here saying, look, I made $4,000 today. I'm up 11% on my total investment. Well, actually, he made $460 and he's up 11% on his total investment. And we can scroll through here, and this section has been opened for over 3 years. So there are literally 3 years worth of testimonials in this section where members who join the Honey Drip network, they go through the training and they trade alongside the admins and they learn to trade on their own and they share their results here. So this guy is basically saying over the since September 3rd to September 13, he's made $203 and that's 87.86% gains. So you can see here that this guy's probably using a small account or small amount of money to trade. So basically he's making $15, $24 every single day. And this might be life-changing for him. And this is just a starter for him, right? And he's recording his results here. And this is what he's done in the last 2 weeks. So that's amazing for him. We have this guy, Block Vibes. He's made $1,000 in the past week. So he's up 26%. This guy made 77%. Okay, that's phenomenal. This guy has made $201. This guy has made $1,720. And we can keep scrolling. I can scroll a billion times here because this goes back 3 years. I'm gonna scroll for a while. Alright, so let's see what date we come to. So we've scrolled quite a bit just now and it's only taken us back 2 days. So this guy has made $1,666. This guy has made $4,000 in 1 day. And people make all sorts of money here, from just like a few dollars to thousands of dollars. And people build as well. So people might start out with, let's say they start out with only $500 to invest in trading, right? And they build their accounts up to 6 figures with patience and discipline, right? And you learn how to do all of that here in Honey Drip. So this guy has made $240 and this is on the 10th of September. So that's just 4 days back. Let me scroll some more. Let me scroll far back. I want to show you because all you're seeing here so far, me scrolling through, is basically people saying, look, I've made money here and money in the back. So let's see how far I can scroll back. This guy is up $45. Alright, so this guy says he blew his 10K. Brought it back to brought it back from $250 to 10K. So this guy basically came in here and didn't follow the instructions, did his own thing, wasted all of his money, right? And then over time he actually followed the instructions, started doing what he needed to do, what he was told to do, and he regained all of his money. So people do lose money when they don't follow along, but then you can't earn back every single thing, right? So this is amazing. I never saw this before. And this is on September 4th, so this is 10 days back. I'm recording this on September 14th. I'm gonna stop this testimonial soon because I didn't want to make this video too long, but I just want to show you how amazing this group is. In my view, this is the best trading group in the world, or in America. And you're not gonna find results like this anywhere else. And these are real results from real people, right? You want to be a part of this? Go ahead, click the link on this page or in the description. And well, this guy, admin felony, is no longer in the group, but he was one of the admins. And this guy, you can see, he started out making like some bad trades. He wasn't profiting, but then he started getting it right. He started getting it right. He started profiting and started getting in profit. So I can only imagine where this guy is. As you can see, he says risk management is the key, which is the key to success in trading for real. Risk management is the most important thing. This guy has made $848. This is August 23rd. So this is like 3 weeks ago. Let me do one more scroll and that will be it. $418.32. All right, so this is just a quick run through. By the way, I follow these same signals that are given here, and I trade along with these admins. I make profits as well, uh, and I've been here for just a month, and I'm very happy with the direction that I see myself going as a trader, and I'm very excited about where I'll be once I master trading on my own in a year from now. Once I've mastered trading, I'm very excited about where I'll be in my journey, and yeah, I'm very happy with being a part of this group. I'm very happy with the results for myself. I'm very happy with the results I see for other people. I really believe in this, and I love Anna. Anna has made last month. She made $15,000 just by trading. And like trading, like you can make this kind of money in 5 minutes. Really, like literally, one trade can last for like 5 minutes and make hundreds of dollars. So anyway, go ahead, join the Unwavering network, and I'll see you on the inside.